bounds.
Hey guys, Tech Master here. I just explained the behind the scenes, but I forgot to start it. So here it is. Welcome to the vlog. Today is Wednesday. I hope you guys are having a great day. And I hope this frickin' goes as planned, because my mom's terrible at pranking. Or hard to prank, I mean. You get it. Anyways guys, see you in a bit. Alright guys, I am going to hold off on the prank. I have to go with my dad to the shop. But yeah. That's what's happening. I'm going to visit with Lindsay too. So, see you guys in a bit. What the heck? He's got a new truck. Where's Steve?
He's working like a shooter.
Why guys?
Because he parked me in, so I took his truck.
Oh. Oh, I see. He's working.
Yeah. For me.
Let me see real quick, because Lindsay's friend lives just down there, and maybe she wants to go. I don't know.
How are you supposed to put
Stop, Haley. I'm just vlogging. Too bad you're on the. Why don't you? Do you watch them? Do you watch them?
No, there's probably like half of them of me.
Okay. Well, you have to watch them because they're awesome.
Fish. He posted the one from the ice cream place. I don't.
What ice cream place?
Remember when I went to your house and you came to the ice cream store with us?
He posted that.
It's on there.
You
Quit.
did not post that, did you?
The what one?
The one where we went to ice cream.
Yeah. How come you don't watch them?
Because Haley does not watch.
I was doing a prank today on my mom.
There's no tornado. That's what it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
It is.
Oh.
Be careful. She doesn't feel good. Remember?
My stomach thing just went away. And I don't like that.
All right. Apparently there's tornadoes. You know, I'm gonna look outside right now. Holy crap! It's pouring outside.
Your face. Jaden, I dare you to go stand.
No, it's not.
Got him. Really? All right, I'm gonna see what the weather warning was. Tornado warning. Guys, come here. Come here.
No, she was like.
Dude, I should have filmed it. Come here. Look. Tornado warning. 27 minutes.
Told you there's a tornado warning.
You're right.
Ah! Wait, there's gonna be a tornado?
It's a warning. Do you know what warning means?
See, you want to see this like
I didn't hear that.
You know there's no shelter here, right? Like a basement?
I'm gonna run all
You don't
the
have
way
a basement.
I'm gonna run all the way to my house to get my babies.
Why is it so sandy?
Maybe you dropped it?
It's in the plug.
Oh. That sucks. See you when the tornado's here. You go first. There she is.
There's a fall plant, JK.
Where?
Stop.
My car! I just cleaned it!
Like it. Stop.
Pop Francis or something.
And break my foot.
No, stop.
Blinding me.
It's what? Jaden. Stop.
What do you guys want to do? Huh?
I don't know. Don't know.
You guys are boring.
Do you even play basketball in here?
Hey guys, we have a tornado warning or touchdown in our area, so we had to come home because I have a basement and the shop doesn't.
My mom doesn't know that. She is cooking.
You didn't tell your mom?
No. She was in the middle of cooking. thinking?
You didn't tell her?
No!
You just went in?
Can I no, I'm calling my mom first. I'm calling my mom first. I'm gonna like flip out on her.
She was in the
She's gonna have to come up. She's gonna have to walk outside just into the phone because her phone doesn't work inside the house.
That's great.
What service does she have?
What?
What kind of service does she have?
The same one I have.
What?
I don't know. Verizon?
You don't even know.
I'm getting Boost Mobile.
Oh my gosh. That's cool. Oh my goodness, guys. It is terrifying. An F4 tornado. Just not even that far away from us. There's a F3 and an F1 down that way. Earlier, not now. Earlier. Or no, it's that way. Down that way, sorry. Or up that way. No, down. Up, down, up, down, down. Sorry, I had to think for a second. South, down. Got you. Alright. I guess I'm gonna end the vlog here. But yeah. Hopefully we can continue the prank tomorrow. Make sure you guys check out my Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat in the description. Share like crazy. Stay joyful. Oh, by the way, Lindsay is gonna post a video tomorrow, she said, so stay tuned. I'll link it in the description tomorrow in tomorrow's vlog. So peace!